So in 2013, what we did, how we started is we had a gentleman by the name of Fred Keller, who is the CEO and founder of Cascade Engineering, come to talk to a group of CEOs, educators, and some health and human service providers about how people in the private sector or employers have more of an obligation in their communities than to hire people, but they also have a social capital obligation in making sure that we have a strong, healthy community. And so from that, we had 12 employers agree to come together. And what they do at Cascade Engineering is that he has an on-site success coach or a welfare to career program. And she works with employees that are on the career ladder on how to be successful and help them to remove barriers that can help them be successful at work. But his company is so large that he can afford to hire just one person to serve his company. Where in our community, we couldn't individually come together, just individually hire a success coach, each company. So the 12 companies agreed to come together, and that's where we hired a success coach to serve the 12 companies. But along with that, for the funding for that, we agreed that these 12 employers that we thought were going to put the proof in the pudding first, and we didn't want to worry about funding. So the Pennies from Heaven Foundation and United Way of Mason County agreed to fund the initiative for 3 years before asking the participating companies to pay up. But with that came that they also had to agree to, the employers had to agree to attend 16 hours of leadership management and personal effectiveness and the hidden rules of economic class, which I'll get to in a little bit later, to attend that training. So the CEOs and upper management attended those 16 hours of training. And then we began to develop Learn. And so it really consists of 3 components. We have an on-site success coach, we have training and education, and we have a loan program.